In this demonstration, we're going to look at how we can create a group policy object by using the group policy management console and also by using PowerShell. So I'm on my domain controller. I've come into Server Manager. Within Server Manager, I'm just going to go to Tools, and then within Tools, we're going to go for Group Policy Management. This is then going to launch up my Group Policy Management console. And what we're going to do here is we are going to create a new group policy. So we'll come down to Group Policy Objects, we'll right click, and what we'll do here is we'll select New. The first thing it's going to ask us here is to give this a name. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a group policy to prohibit Windows Messenger. And we'll select OK. Next thing we need to do here is we just actually need to get this group policy to do something. So if we right click and click Edit, what it does is then takes us into the Group Policy Management Editor. And within here what we want to do is we just want to come down to our user configuration, and then under Policies, what we're going to do at this point here is we're then just going to go to Admin Templates, and then within here we'll go to Windows Components, and then what we'll do is we'll click Windows Messenger. So we'll pull this across a little bit just so we can see things a bit better. We'll go for Windows Messenger, and what we want to do here is we don't want Windows Messenger to be able to run. So we'll double click at this point here, and what we'll do is we'll then enable this group policy. Then we'll select OK and select Close, and we've now created a group policy. We haven't yet linked it to anything, but at this point we have actually created the group policy. So the next thing we'll do here is we'll just link it to the Active Directory domain. So we'll right click, we'll link an existing group policy object, and we'll select our Prohibit Windows Messenger. Then we'll select OK. What we can also do is we can also create group policies through PowerShell. So if we launch up PowerShell, and then what we'll do here is we'll just create a new group policy. So in order to do that, we just need to issue our Powershell Commandlet. So to do that, what we've done is we've typed in new -GPO space -name, then in quotes, desktop lockdown. We'll hit the Enter key. That's now gone away and create our group policy. So we'll just minimize down PowerShell. And what we'll do here is we'll just do a refresh. And as you can see, we now have our desktop lockdown. And at this point, I could right click and then edit the settings. That's the end of this very quick demonstration of creating group policy objects. Thank you.